Hi, it's Mary with the Mourning Project. It is Sunday, March 15th, and I hope you and your family are well. We're in the midst of the coronavirus epidemic, or we're at the start of it apparently, and that's a lot of scary times for people. My husband and I have stocked up on lots of necessities, and including the Lysol disinfectant wipes, a little bit of chocolate, and of course, all of the staples. We're planning to self distance for the next 2 weeks and stay away from crowds and public venues for as much as possible, because apparently that's the best way to minimize the effect of the disease in our country. So we're all about doing that. I have plans to make lots of baby booties this week or in the next few weeks. But I also wanted to update you about the planned art installation for the March of Dimes, March for Babies in Phoenix, which will be scheduled for April 11th. As you can imagine, it's the March of Dimes is working really hard to change up the event and to make it more of an online celebration for the Walk for Babies. And at this point, we're planning that the project is going to be a part of that. So even though it may not be the art installation we were thinking on the grounds of the state capitol, we still need your baby booties. Their panels are coming in every day, and you can see behind me is a stack of baby booties or a stack of panels. We have over 6,500 in the studio right now, which is very exciting. So thank you all to those who made your 100 booties, got them on panels, and sent them in to me in advance. I really appreciate that. And for those of you who are still working on them, please don't think that there's not going to be an event, so I don't need to work on them. There is going to be an event and an online event digitally, and so we do need your contributions to make that possible. So keep working on your booties, stay safe, stay out of crowds, and stay well. You'll be hearing more updates from me as I know more details about the march and some of the other exciting things that I'm working on and other venues I'm planning to bring the installation to. So I will keep you posted. Thanks for listening. Be careful, and I hope to see your booties soon. Thanks.